2, 1, go.
And they're off. I think the robot on the right there.
SSS. First contact.
And the one right there with the red and
dang
blue
it.
flashing lights and the giant claw on the front is CTN.
Is that Face-off on yours? Oh, no, that's almost off.
And it looks like the major contact is happening. Let's see if the ref might call off.
Maybe? Because I'm just going back. I'm just going back and then.
Yeah, this is repetitive.
Yeah, I wanna.
It's
separate him?
It's
Yeah,
repetitive.
Okay.
So the ref is moving the box.
Okay, and then we're looking for another contact here.
The second contact.
That's the beam.
Oh,
Oh man.
Oh, our robot was actually handling that
pretty good
situation pretty good.
strategy.
yeah. That was kind of surprising.
Lock up.
Nah.
It's fine.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, look, get out of it like that.
Well,
Yeah, we're locked up.
That's out.
That's out. And for the first match of the day.
3, 2, 1, go.
and they're off.
Again, they're off with CTN going forward and backward. Preston's robot spinning with the pizza cutter. CTN is looking to make contact after this, and that's direct hit.
Uh-oh.
And he's
Yeah,
all
that's
out.
it.
That's out. What a quick match.
1, go.
It's Bozo versus Ollie.
Oh, wait, and
that's
that's
already contact, and
Oh,
Bozo
nice.
is spinning.
Watch
Wait, I
it,
forgot to
watch
put my servo on.
Not too
That's
late.
fine.
Oh my god, they're spinning. This is not Beyblade.
Wait, no, keep it.
No, my servo. This is pretty
hold
much
on a
Beyblade. Wait, can I reset and get my servo on?
No.
Oh man. Okay,
Oh, there we go.
If I win without my servo, I'm gonna rage.
Oh my
Do better, guys.
Ooh.
Oh wait, no. Good fight. We just went full back.
Alright, hold on.
Do better.
This match is actually lasting longer than I thought it would.
Yeah, if I had my servo, it wouldn't be as long.
Oh, there we go. That's
Hey,
that's
no,
out.
No.
That's
Come
because you
on.
hit the side. Well, alright.
Yeah,
hold
but
on.
we were still like in, you know.
Okay, that's
That's
out.
out.
That's
That's
out.
out.
That's out.
Yeah, that's out.
Okay.
I didn't even have my servo, guys.
2, 1, go.
Okay, well, there goes the servo.
That's okay.
He just keeps going out and back in.
Yo, Arjun, you saved me, bro.
No, that's out. That's out. That's out.
Bro! Whatever.
Oh, I stepped right into the tail whip.
I don't even have a whip on right now, and I'm still tail whipping him. Maybe my robot just likes tail whipping.
Yeah, why is yours just going back and forth though? What
I don't know. I think it's awesome. Box. I don't know. Yo, I don't care. I'm not using this code again.
the- Oh,
Oh my god! Oh no, Ilma!
Insane juke.
wow. Oh man, that one's out.
That's out.
3, fight.
Oh wait,
Preston, get out of the way.
no suicide this time.
Back up.
Yeah, back up. You back up.
Oh, server down. Pushing.
What am I doing?
Pushing.
Why am I selling so hard?
Eventful match.
Oh, wait, wheel up. No, don't.
Yeah, hold on. Let's see
Servo
what
down.
happens.
Wheel.
My wheel's gone!
1, go.
Round 1, fight.
Bro, let's look just beat up traffic. Just dodges it.
Oh, first contact. Hits.
No, the shield works.
Oh, they're in trouble.
Where'd your robot go?
Where's Bozo?
Oh, the ultimate clutch. The ultimate clutch. Bozo back.
Ultimate clutch?
Is that an out? No, that's not an out. Is that a stuck?
Oh my god.
Wow.
Is that a stuck?
And let's take one of these.
What? Hey, we're not stuck.
That's definitely stuck in the Legos. Alright,
He's
now,
off.
It's gonna stay together better.
Oh, and now my motor's out. Someone hit reset.
It's just better than
Something, not someone.
that's out.
Damn it.
What a
Go.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
You're dancing.
They might be stuck. Yeah, they're 100% stuck.
No.
Yeah.
Bozo.
why is my entire bot?
Nice.
Bozo's better.
Oh, that's out. That's out. That's out.
It went back to the. Alright, part 2. Alright, that's stuck.
Yeah, that's.
Take off the wheel.
I won for you once and I won win for you again.
My wheel.
Oh, wait, Preston's robot locks up. I think one wheel on Preston's robot stopped moving.
They're both fine. What do you mean?
And they're stuck again.
Now we're listening disconnected. Whoa. Now we have a full
Oh, direct shot. And
That's it. That's done now. All right. One, go.
Oh, by the way, we use your code.
Oh my god.
Okay, use it with your fighting bee.
No, says who?
Says me. Wait, can they use that code if
I
they're
think
fighting
there is
bee?
something wrong
Yes.
with the motor.
Oh, and they killed
Hold on,
himself.
hold on, hold on.
That's a
One, go. Oh.
yes.
Okay. One, go.
And they're off. And there goes your robot.
Well, they're not really off.
Oh, okay.
Pop.
Oh my god.
I pushed him out, maybe?
Okay. Steer clear. Hold on.
Why are you switching it off?
Okay, well.
It saw him, it saw him.
Leave it, leave it, leave it. Just leave it. Stop.
Leave it.
I told you not to touch the robot.
Yo. How is that not a pop?
Because of that on the front.
Oh, I have to remove that. That's out.
No, it's not.
What do you mean that's not out? More than 50% of his robot.
At this point, I'm trying to push him out.
Hey.
Yeah, that's out, that's out.
That's out. Yeah, yeah,
Wait,
that's
this
out.
is just a sumo robot. Wait, what?
But I said if you push him out, it counts too.
Wait, what?
One, go.
Good game, Kevin, good game.
Target acquired.
Chat?
Oh my god.
What?
Why? What is
It's not
happening?
popping.
Well, so this is fun.
Yeah, you gotta take that off. What?
Come on.
They weren't really moving. They're not moving.
Yeah, why aren't you guys moving?
Because it's meant to do something.
Okay, also, why is it not popping?
Our balloon's just better. It's because it's barely touching.
Yeah, it's barely touching. They're not moving. That's
There
like
we go.
illegal, right?
It's
Well,
They're not moving.
It's supposed to do something with the servos. Wait, I'll remove that part of it.
They're not moving.
Because there's a massive delay.
Like that should not be allowed, bro.
Yours won't pop it either.
Yeah, but how is it not popping? It's not.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh man,
Okay.
that was loud. Oh lord. Whoa, what is going on?
I mean, I guess that's some sort of
my
shit.
god.
Oh my lord.
Oh my. This is gruesome. How did that not pop it? No, wait, that was just so out for a second.
Come on.
That's hard, Cody.
Okay.
That's out, that's out, that's out.
Time.
No, it sensed Mr. German.
Stop. I
Yeah,
told you to back up
it
off
sensed
it.
you.
It sends Mr. German.
It's a
It
chaos.
sends you.
It's very possible that it sensed me, yeah.
But that's
I'm gonna read.
One, go.
Oh my god, that's the second abrasion. What is going
Okay, hold on.
on?
Ah!
Robot, move it, robot, move it, robot.
I don't know what the balloon came off. What, the thing off?
The balloon taped onto our robot.
Wait, they caught it with their thumbtack.
You lost all thumbtacks. Yeah, what the heck was that? It was like pressed up against their robots.
And no, our.
Is that a
Wait, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's look at that again.
Hold on, you
that a
gotta
loss?
move your robot.
Yeah.
I
I
have
have
no
thumb-
idea